I mean, kick it. Welcome back, everybody. You're watching Night Club with me, Jatin Sapru. The only nightclub where there is no entry charge, no cover charge, but you can still avail VIP treatment. कैसे? भाई उसके लिए आपको सिर्फ नाइट क्लब क्विज में सही जवाब देने पड़ेंगे. नाइट क्लब क्विज को जीतना पड़ेगा. आप ही के नाइट्स के सवाल हैं जिसके जवाब इसी शो पर छुपे होते हैं. लेकिन जीते कैसे? पहले वो देख लीजिए. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर द नाइट क्लब क्विज. अभी कुछ समय पहले हमने आपको दिखाया था दिस नाइस लिटिल कंपटीशन बिटवीन पीयूष चावला एंड मनीष पांडे. अब उसमें पीयूष चावला ने लचीलापन, जी हां, लचीलापन कितनी बार कहा था? ऑप्शन ए 1, ऑप्शन 2 3, ऑप्शन 3 4, ऑप्शन 4 5. 1 3 4 5 कितनी बार कहा था पीसी ने लचीलापन? ये आपको एक कदम नजदीक ले जाएगा इनाम के, क्योंकि एक और कदम लेना है. वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. जियो के एड शूट में गौतम गंभीर हमारे अपने कप्तान जी कौन सा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले कर रहे थे? ऑप्शन ए फ्लूट, बांसुरी, ऑप्शन बी ड्रम्स, ऑप्शन सी ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल, या ऑप्शन 4 नन ऑफ द अबव. गौतम गंभीर ने कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले नहीं किया. तो चलिए फिर मिस कॉल दीजिए 9014 अमी केकेआर पर. समझे नहीं? 9014 अमी केकेआर को अगर आप अपने डायल पैड पे देखेंगे तो वो बनेगा 9014264557. और यू कैन ऑल्सो लॉग ऑन टू kkr.in/nightclub. आप फैंस ही नहीं, इनफैक्ट ऑल द प्लेयर्स आर ऑल्सो हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन. They've been putting up quirky stuff on Twitter and we've been tracking all of it in our distillery. Let's head up with Sanjana Ganesan for Cricket Social.
Hello and welcome to Cricket Social with a K. Why with a K? Because this is where we give you all the social media activity from your favorite nights. Let's start out with the boss of them all, the captain, Gautam Gambhir. He put up a picture on Instagram saying champions keep playing until they get it right. #Monday motivation. Well, आज Monday तो नहीं है, आज है Thursday, but आज है KKR का match day and we can use all the motivation that we can possibly get our hands on. Moving on from motivation, there was a heartbreaking tweet sent out by Chris Lynn, who injured himself in the match against the Mumbai Indians. He said, "Dear cricket gods, did I do something wrong?" Well, Lynn, you absolutely did not do anything wrong. Sunday को आप इंजर हुए और Monday को था आपका बर्थडे. लोगों ने tons of messages भेजे for a speedy recovery and birthday wishes. Here's what they had to say. Aditya said, "Recovery is hard work, but you're not alone. Not a day goes by that you aren't thought of and wished well. Get well soon, Linsanity." And Linsanity is a very apt name. His very first game in this season of the IPL and he performed brilliantly. Another tweet, "Don't be afraid, we are always with you. #champ. Smash the injury as you smash big sixes. Get well soon." Well, Shubham Day, that is absolutely right. It's only a matter of time before he comes back onto the field and performs brilliantly once again. And we have somebody who's come off of a great home season, Umesh Yadav, who put up a picture on Instagram saying, "Ami KKR first day." Umesh got tons of comments on social media telling him how good he's looking, how prepared he's looking, and he will perform extremely well tonight. He will perform because after all there's champion blood in him. He is a knight. And coming back to Chris Lynn, he has an injury but he's not lost his sense of humor. Thank God for that. He tweeted saying net sessions at RCB with Stanley, Stark, Milner and Mills would be fun. #said no one ever. #IPL 2017. Well, it's good to know that he's going to be back on the field soon, because an injury is, you can recover from it, but a sense of humor is extremely important for keeping the team together. For now, it's back to you, Jatin.
Well done, Sanjana. भाई हमारी डिस्टिलरी में क्रिकेट सोशल, क्रिकेट विद अ के, क्रिकेट सोशल की बॉस तो संजना है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. लेकिन केकेआर का बॉस कौन है? ये कॉन्टेस्ट इस बार हुआ ईशान जग्गी और संजय यादव के बीच.
Welcome to KKR. I'm acting as if it's my team. It's not, but Night Club is mine. Welcome to KKR, Shan. पहले इधर आ जाओ दोनों. ये आपको ट्रेडिशन पता है? KKR का बॉस कौन है? Do you know what the winner gets? जो ये जीतता है, he gets to do a film with Shahrukh at the end of the season. They're not taking me seriously. Anyway, the game is called Battle Bomb. तो आपको सर्व करना है. TT खेलते हैं? हाँ? नहीं खेलना तो खेलना पड़ेगा. KKR में खेलना पड़ेगा. So you see this, right? There's a little bit of a bong. This is the exercise. Now this is where Sanjay would be. This is where you would be. आपको अपनी सर्व पे you have to eliminate all these targets. Okay? Same for you. आपको इधर करना है. जो सबसे पहले करेगा one serve at a time. जो जीता वो KKR का बॉस. Okay, cool. 3, 2, 1. Ishan deserve. Oh, well done. यार मारने की रखी है. Finally. Oh, well done. Pick and choose. Pick and choose. वाह जी. On call. मैं एक ही बार ही दे सकता हूँ. ये मुझे लगता है हमें एडिट टेबल पर फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करना पड़ेगा. Yes! ये पता नहीं मैं खुशी में चीखा हूँ या फिर sigh of relief था. Oh, well done, honored. Oh, that's it. You played well. Das Madhu, come here for the presentation ceremony. Please present this to Mr. Ishan Jaggi. Raj, KKR ka boss.
भाई many congratulations to Mr. Jaggi for becoming KKR का boss. लेकिन reality है कि ये 10 मिनट लगे थे ना, ये तो हमने edit करके छोटा कर दिया. Sorry Jaggi, I had to tell them the truth. लेकिन time से याद आया कि बातों-बातों में time खत्म हो गया. That's all we have on this episode of Night Club. Hope you enjoyed it. Send in all your love, send in your best wishes for the Knights. It's a big game against Punjab. You can use #Night Club. You can tag me at Jatin Sapru. We'll have a lot of fun on Twitter and put out some good vibes as our Knights get out on the field. But आज Night Club पे मेरी playlist यहीं खत्म. See you next time.
लचकते लचीले डैरन का लचीला पानी कितना बॉडी
लचकते लचीले पीयूष का लचीला
लोग मिठाई समझेंगे
I can't do that now, to be honest, I can't.
लचकते लचीले मनीष बड़ा लचीलापन oh that लचीलापन was crazy bro
कमाल करते हैं पांडे जी.
I mean, kick it.